Hey guys, so I've got a 2016 Ford F150. This one is here for a check engine light, fault code p0299, turbocharger under boost. So pretty much when you start driving, you accelerate hard, it goes into limp mode. Didn't hear any noise from the turbos. Turbo seems to be working fine. Put a smoke test in the system, no leaks. So next step is always checking which is a pretty common issue in these things. There's a turbocharger bypass valve in this location, the driver's side bottom of the intercooler, just held by 2 bolts. This is the old part right over here. So you see that orange diaphragm, there's a hole in that diaphragm, so it's not holding vacuum the way it's supposed to, causing the computer to trigger the limp mode. If you can see in the pictures right over here inside. Right over there, the bottom, the black. Yep. So it's going to replace this and test drive it one more time. This is the part number from the dealer. Just install it, clear the codes, and do the test drive, and 90% of the time this is your problem. If the code persists, that means that there's no vacuum leaks, no problem with the bypass valve, and the problem has to be in the turbocharger, which again is very unlikely, but it's always possible. So hopefully this helps. Please replace this before you replace the turbochargers. Hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.